Alright guys, Wheel Life Cycling coming to you today from Nevada, Smoky, Nevada. And guys, I haven't ridden in a week or so because the smoke is horrible. I just received my new order. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I found out that the old bars are they're old, and it's like 1 inch diameter here, and my stem has been broke, so I decided to go and get a new combo bar stem integrated and a box of orange lizard skins to match the Eddy Merckx. So I got my lizard skin bar tape. These are $43 from Competitive Cyclist, and let me see if I can put this down over here so you guys can see this unveiling. Yeah. All right, here's the Syncros handlebars, and they were, I think they're 40 centimeter. Now, let's see. Okay. They look rather nice. So these are 120 mm, and you measure from the center of the stem to the center of the bar. Let's go have a look over here and see how they kind of match up. So the bar width is absolutely perfect. Let's see if I can go under here and measure up the old one. Same bar width, so that's a good sign. And the stem, oh, I almost dropped that one. Sorry guys. I wanted to bring back my bars a little bit because they're a little bit, I think, too far forward. And I bought them years ago because I wanted them a little longer because I wanted to do some events, triathlon events, but you know what? I used my triathlon bike instead. And the bars are a little bit further out. So these are, it's a little bit back, a little, but not much. So anyways, these are the new bars. I will adjust these on here. I will put them on another video. So Syncros bars. Now I think these are made, I don't believe they're made in China. Okay, I don't believe so. Made in Taiwan. So, you know, I don't know the difference. They sent a shim, which is nice. One in an eighth, top and bottom. Okay, that goes in here later. A shim in the stem area. So yeah, these are the new Syncros Aero RR10 Carbon by Syncros. You know what? Let's get my digital scale out here and see what these things are weighing. I think I'm not mistaken. It's like 400 grams. I have a gram scale. Let's see. Yeah. And this is for weighing gold that okay, on. Okay, so let's do mode. Ounces, grains, grams. Wow, I got an error? Why is that? Tear. Maybe it doesn't go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's too. It goes too high. This is ounce. Yeah, so apparently it won't work because the scale is not made for this weight. Oh, my bad. I do have another scale, digital scale. Let's see if this one will work. It's a postal scale. Alright, let's go to mode, kilograms. So you guys can see kilograms. 390. Okay, let's go to pounds. 13 ounces. Let's see. And kilograms. That's more important. Yeah, it's 390 kilogram. So, anyways, guys, that's what I got. I got the lizard skins to put on, and I'll have a video, guys, when I'm putting the handlebars on, so you guys can see. And anyway, so that's what's going on here. Wheel Life Cycling, lizard skins, $40-something, and the bars were $399. So, thanks for watching, guys, and Tour de France is on, and hope everybody's watching. My prediction is Robolik will win. Rojolik, whatever his name is. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. God bless.